is Friday, January 30th. And out here milking, we got Poppy up on the stand. We got Tilly on the milking machine. Olivia was just out here and she just called me. Said we have babies. So let's run over to the goat barn and take a look. Oh, I'm gonna get this. Go here. No, no. This is stuck. There we go. Jeez. Huh. What do we got in here, Olivia?
Two babies.
Two babies?
Do you like your babies?
A baby girl and a baby boy.
Huh?
What are you doing, Mama?
I don't know if she's ever been able to keep her babies before. I think that they would just take them from her right away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like them? Yeah.
You let them have some milk.
You're stepping on her. You're stepping on your baby. There you go. She let him nurse for a second.
Yeah. Which one's the boy?
The big one. He's a lot bigger.
Yeah.
You're gonna stand here. And let him nurse.
We're gonna see if we can get him to nurse a little bit. Got a little heat wave going. Some fresh straw. It's probably, I think, mid-30s out. So I don't think it's freezing, but.
Right there, dude. There's your chance. It's pretty hot on her there.
Little teacher back there, little dude. There you go.
Yeah, good girl. No.
Wow. Well, that was a little rowdy. Does she seem like she has a lot of milk?
Yeah, she does, for sure. She just, I don't know if she just wasn't letting them eat because she was having contractions.
Yeah. She
Just plus her placenta, or if she isn't gonna let them.
Is she what?
She likes them. So I don't know why she won't let them eat.
Well, this other goat we have, they were bred at the same time. Are they sisters, do you know?
This is her mom.
Oh, this is her mom.
This is the mom.
So
No, that's her daughter and her grandbabies.
daughter and grandbabies over there, so but she should be about ready to pop here soon. How does she feel back there?
Her tendons are, I don't know, they're soft.
Yeah.
She's been backed up for a while.
Mm-hmm.
Just flipped.
Nice. Well, I just got back inside from checking out the goats, new baby goats, and I put the girls to bed, but they weren't quite asleep. And look, I found Millie. Out. Well, they made it through the night, so that's good. She came out to make sure they're still drinking. Looks like they're doing pretty good. What do you think? Hmm? We're gonna see if we can get our bathroom all plumbed in, our master bathroom. So we've been using the other bathroom, the guest bath, or it's kind of the girls' bathroom for the last few months. I just haven't got around to doing this. So yeah, let me show you down here what we got going on and how we're gonna do this. So I just went to Home Depot, got some parts, and originally it was just to right here and with these shut-off valves, and I went to these two lines, but they froze last winter and they're cracked right along there. So I just had these valves turned off. I just went to Home Depot and I got these fittings. So this will go up to the sink. Same with that one, go up to the sink. And now I'm gonna run a line. This part's gonna be hard because I'm gonna go from here and I'm gonna take my multi-tool and do a relief cut along here over, and then I pulled off two of our decorative wood, and then I'll do a strip up the drywall, and the shower faucet should be somewhere right in there. So I'll run the lines into the wall, up, and then right into the mixer valve, shower valve. So I got some PEX, I got some couple fittings and whatnot. I'm gonna use some pro clamps with the clamp tool. We got this bad boy. I'm gonna put a new blade on that since that's pretty dull. So yeah, let's get this thing rolling. Okay, so I got all that cut out to here, so I'll run in there, hug that stud, come over, and then angle over to here, and then thread into either side there. All right, so we got new fittings put on here. So we'll run a new line of PEX. Go down like this. And I like using the PEX clamps. And you gotta use the special tool. Okay. So now that that's on, I'll put this retainer back in. Okay, and now we'll come down here. And I'll have to tuck these to the back so that my drawer can still clear. Plug those in, and then we gotta go underneath the house and finish plumbing in the main drain line. And we should be good. Got it all done, so we got it all cleaned up. Deep cleaned the shower. Got the sink all plumbed in. Baseboards painted. Yeah, this will be good. This was really dirty when we got it, so it's all good to go. Got the rain head on. Sweet. Yeah, I'm super glad that's all done. So yeah, pretty much just the back deck now, and then yeah, then our garden. So should be good. Thanks for watching.